Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl once again, Lizzie. If you're just watching me for the first time, what we do is subscribe, like, share, and also comment in the comment section below, guys. I love you all so much. So before I continue with this tutorial, do you guys know that watching every ad that is placed on my video helps me to know if you guys love what I do here, and it helps me actually to get paid. Dude, that's the secret. Please guys, watch the video, watch the ads that have been placed on every video that I have, guys. I love you guys so much. Please let my hard work not be in vain. Thank you all so much. So the first thing I did was to fold the edges of the gele. Thereafter I made pleats on her head. So I'm holding the shorter parts of the gele right now, but while making pleats with the shorter parts of the gele, you do not have to complete, like you do not have to make pleats till the end. You can just make about 5 pleats and then stop right there, so that this part, actually the shorter part of the gele, this part that I have not made pleats, is for the ruffles. So I'm just going to leave some part of the gele right there so that I'll be able to create my ruffle. I'm going to make this gele today a V-shaped gele. All you have to do is to make sure that the shorter part of the gele goes behind her ear, while the longer part of the gele stays on top her ear, as you can see in this video. So I'm going to repeat it again. The shorter part of the gele goes behind her ear, while the longer part of the gele stays on top her ear. So while doing this, you have to make sure that you trace the pleats down to the middle of her head so that you do not lose the pleats from the middle of her head to the back and then to the front also. You also want to make sure that this gele is firm on your model's head or on your client. You have to be asking them so that it doesn't unravel at any point, guys. The rule for this particular gele tutorial today is 80-20. One hand of your gele has to really be longer than the other hand of your gele. So at this point, I'm done making my pleats. At this point. I'm just going to go over to the front. I'm going to go over to the front, and then I'm going to pick up the shorter hand of the gele, which is the 20 part of the gele. And then I'm just going to create my ruffles. All I'm going to do is to make sure that I lift the gele, the aso'oke up a little bit. Then I'll create my pleats and then pin everything down there. If you've watched my previous videos on how to tie satin fabric on your head or on a model, you discover that what I'm doing in this video is similar to what I have in those videos. Just in case you want to check them out, I'm going to be linking them in the description box below. And if the video helps you in any way, if they help you in any way, don't be shy to subscribe, share, and also comment in the comment section. I love you all. So I'll be creating these ruffles until I reach her neck area. But at this point, I'm done creating 2 ruffles. I'm just going to pin them together so that they stay as one and not apart. So guys, this is the 20 part of the gele that she was holding. I'm just going to twist that at the back of her head and pin it right there. You have to make sure that you pin properly so that you're sure that everything is firm and secured on her head. Moving on, I'm going to continue making my pleats with the 80 parts of the gele. At this point, I'm just going to create some pleats there. But while making your pleats, you have to make sure that you are tracing it to the middle of her head, and from the middle you trace to the back of her head so that you do not lose any pleats. So at this point, I'm going to start creating my fan. The fan is usually different from the normal infinity pleat, so I'm going to start creating my fan at this point. So I'm done creating my fan. I'm just going to twist the remaining part of the gele. I'm going to twist it to the back and pin everything right there. This is going to be a closed gele at the back. Some time ago, someone requested that I do a video showing how I close my gele at the back. This is for you. I do hope that it's helpful. So all I'm going to do is to make sure that I close everything at the back. Then I'm going to place the twisted part of the gele where I closed it and then pin it there. What is really important is making sure that the gele is firm on your model's head or on your client, so that it doesn't unravel at any point at all. At this point, I'm just arranging the gele so that everything looks really nice on her and she's good to go. I love you all so much. I do hope that this tutorial has been helpful. If it has, please don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. And if you've not watched my previous videos on how to tie gele, please do that, because it's really going to help you to know how to tie any form of trending geles at all. Also turn on your notification button so that each time I post, you will definitely be the first to know. I love you all so much, and I just can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.